You may remember my face from being on MasterChef. So today, I'm cooking with these amazing Jamaican Valley products, the best products, and that's Jamaican Valley. So we have the ackee here. You have the callaloo, coconut milk, the Scotch bonnet pimento seeds, this, trust me. And then we have the vegetable seasoning, when you're cooking your vegetables. Chicken seasoning, always need chicken seasoning. What we have here? The jerk seasoning, the good to go jerk seasoning. Vegetable seasoning again, the little products. And this, the oxtail seasoning right here. These products